and after videos. On the left, you see the graph of the first survey. On the right, the final one. First, we were asked if we knew the concept of learning to learn. In the first test, 70% said yes. While in the final test, this rose to nearly 95%. More importantly, there were some no responses at first, but none in the final test, meaning our project successfully introduced this concept to everyone.
The second question asked if we knew our learning style. Initially, 50% said yes, which increased to 77% in finals. At the start, 40% said they didn't know, but this dropped significantly by the end. So we became more aware of our learning style.
The third question was about multiple intelligence. About 30% initially said no, which dropped to just 1% by the end. Recognition of the concept rose from 46%, almost 80%. Clearly, we gained knowledge about multiple intelligences.
The fourth question asked how many Web 2.0 tools we knew for learning English. On the first test, around 50% said 1 or 2, 30% said 3 to 5, 12% said 5 to 10, and 5% said none. This means 95% were below the desired level. By the end, 15% knew more than 10 tools, 33% knew 5 to 10, and 52% knew 1 to 5. Now nearly 50% are at the desired level, a major increase from just 5%. We can say this project helped us discover Web 2.0 tools. A point to note, if the question had simply asked how many Web 2.0 tools we know, people might have overestimated, but when asked specifically about tools for learning English, most were hesitant at first.
The fifth question asked if we knew how to learn English. At the beginning, 11% said no, which dropped to 1% in the final test. Yes responses increased from 75% to 82%, so there was a clear improvement here as well.
In summary, the project taught us about the concepts of the learning to learn and multiple intelligences, helped us understand our learning styles, introduced Web 2.0 tools, and made us more competent in how to learn English.